Hello and welcome. This is called How to Make Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea Orange Vanilla. First thing you gotta do is you open up this Original Lemon Iced Tea mix and put 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, Then after that, you put the lid on top so it doesn't dry out or get hard. Now we pour in the water. Then after that, you stir this up so it's completely diluted. Then after that, you open up this unsweet orange vanilla carbonated water and you pour it into this glass. The cup means which is a glass, that's what I'm talking about. Oh. Hold on a second. Didn't know how to do that. Then after that, you pour a little bit of water on there. And here is your Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea Orange Vanilla. Enjoy it, thank you for watching, and have a great day, folks. Peace and prosper. Thank you.